Okay, so in last, we are discussing inhibitors, enzyme inhibitors. In the last video, we were done till the competitive. So in today's video, enzyme inhibitors. In today's video, we are going to look into non-competitive and uncompetitive. So first thing, we are discussing non-competitive inhibitors. Okay, so what are these? This means first, before explaining you this, I need to tell you about the sides. Like we have two type of sides. The way they attach, we have two type of sides. First one is and second one. So first one is active site, active site, active site. This is also known as binding site. This is also known as binding site, and the second one is, oh my god, sorry, this is the active site, and this is also known as catalytic. This is not binding site. Let me just write it. I'm sure you will not get writing like this. This is active site, or this one is also known as catalytic, whereas the second one we have is the binding site. Active and binding site cannot be same. Sorry for that misconception. So this is binding site, and we can also call this as allostric site. So binding site, if we have the downward part is the enzyme, and the one which is attaching on the upper side is the substrate. Okay, that upper side is substrate. So the side, like this middle part where any other substrate will be attached, is simply known as what? That is known as active side. Okay, and when it will be removed, allostric simply means away. So what away, like they remove or they get inhibit. Okay, so I just told you about this concept because we'll be discussing in this video. Non-competitive are different in structure as these both, and these reaction, first what's work, these bind to enzyme. In the first one, competitive, but they were binding with the active site. Okay, they were having competitive words, and here's non-competitive, which means they don't have any competition. Because they binds with what? They binds with enzyme other than active site. Like this mean they will not fight, or they will not have any competition which like substrate would be attached or competitive side would be attached. That's the biggest difference between competitive and non-competitive. These bind with enzymes that are other than active side. Okay, so this means we can call they bind with enzyme but not active side. So now let's discuss about the last one, uncompetitive. So last one is uncompetitive. This is also known as anti-competitive. It's also known as anti-competitive inhibitors. These are reversible, whereas the non-competitive were irreversible. Okay, so here what is exactly, if we have this as a downward part enzyme, and here we have substrate, so the middle part where there is the active side, any other substrate or any other enzyme would be attached here. On this one middle part they will attach. This means they are not fighting for active side, they don't have any competition between, but they will simply attach on the middle part. The middle part would be known as uncompetitive. I'm sure you will not get writing. So this means they specifically attach in the mid. Attach in mid. No active site. No active site. No active site.